Who am I going to? Kyle, Garden City, Michigan, the great WJR country. How are you?
Hi, Mark. I'm doing very well. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
It's an incredible honor to talk to you. I really respect you a lot. And
well, thank you, sir.
It's just amazing. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I'm a 21-year-old software engineer, and my wife is pregnant, my first child, and
congratulations.
Thank you. And I'm
what happened? You didn't get any of those free condoms, apparently.
No, I didn't. And that's actually what I wanted to talk about was the contraception. It's very surprising to me just the insanity of the arguments that I hear on the other side of this thing. For example, that the government has the right to force Catholic institutions to pay for contraception because of the Equal Protection Clause in the 14th Amendment.
Wait a minute, whoa. I haven't been around. Who made that argument?
Well, there was a caller, nobody special. There was a caller on Rush's show today when Mark Stein was filling in.
The Equal Protection Clause? So let me tell you where this is coming from. Do you have a second, Kyle?
Yeah.
Keep Kyle tuned up here. This Equal Protection Clause in the 14th Amendment is the clause that the left, the statist utopian left, seeks to use to institutionalize their economic agenda. And you don't have to believe me. If you read Liberty and Tyranny, I explain the law professors who are behind this movement. And so, unless everybody gets the same thing or things that they want, it is said to be a violation of the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. The Equal Protection Clause has nothing to do with economic rights. That is, nothing to do with economic outcomes, I should say, or economic results. How absurd is that? To read the Equal Protection Clause in the 14th Amendment to say that is to distort the entire history of that amendment, which was to ensure that blacks who were freed by through the Civil War, that the states would treat them as human beings. And so it has nothing to do with equal access to condoms or anything of the sort. So what the left is trying to do, and this is going on in law schools and everywhere else, this propaganda, is turn the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment into an equal economic clause. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I understand, and I agree with you. I think
it's completely fraudulent.
Exactly. Yeah, and
Go ahead.
I wanted to hear you say that because I respect your opinion on constitutional issues a lot, and it was just
well, then why should somebody have a new car and somebody have an old car? Why should somebody have a large house and somebody have a small apartment? Why should somebody have anything that's different than anybody else based on material wealth or need? The 14th Amendment wasn't an amendment that was passed by Congress and then ratified by 3/4 of the state to destroy our entire economic system and society. It had a very narrow purpose, to protect the newly freed blacks in this country who were slaves. And you can see it being expanded to other people to ensure that they also have their unalienable rights protected. We get that. I understand that. I believe in that, don't you?
Oh, absolutely.
But it has nothing to do with economic conformity, nothing to do with economic uniformity, nothing to do with socialism, Marxism, statism, utopianism, any of that crap. And yet, the left seeks to use it that way. I didn't hear all radio today, so anyway, I'm just addressing it in the abstract. Does that make sense to you?
Oh, yeah, it makes perfect sense.
All right, my friends, and good luck on your first child, and my best to your wife.
Thank you very much, Mark.